Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to our Koto community. So today I'm going to start with another problem solving in Python. So let's get started with the question. The question is saying check if a string is substring of another. Given to a string s1 and s2, find if s1 is substring of s2. If yes, then return yes, and no, then return no. So let's take an example. So input s1 is equal to in, s2 is equal to fall in love. So you can see in is present in fall in love, so output is yes. And in another example you can see s1 is equal to Harry, s2 is equal to fall in love, so output should be no. So let's get started with the code. So first I will create a function def1, and I will pass the parameter s1 and s2, which will string 1 and string 2. And let's write the logic. If s1 in s2, then print yes, else print no. Now just call the function fun, pass the s1 and s2, and before that function we will take input s1 and s2. s1 is equal to input and s2 is equal to input. So this was very basic question, so let's just run it. Let's give the input s1. So it s1 in and s2 is fall in love. So you can see here we getting yes. Let's check another example with another input. So that is, first one is Harry for s1, fall in love for s2. So here you can see we getting no. So this question is very easy. I hope you understand the question and the solution both. If any query you can ask in comment section. And I also given a problem. So you can see the question is by remove all consonant from a string. It means if a string had like my name is I can give coder commune. So if a string is coder commune, s1 is equal to coder commune, so output should be because we will remove all consonants, so output should be o e o u e, because all consonant will be get removed, so only vowel will be occur, so output should be all vowels. So I hope you will do this code, and after solving this just write in comment section, and if any problem occur we will solve this problem in the next tutorial. And I want to say one thing, that above question was very easy, but I got this question in Amazon hiring for software developer. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.